Welcome to my car and train channel. I've owned this Audi A6 1999 during 12 years. I am selling it today, so I want to make a short video in case you are looking for a similar model and want to understand what are the amenities of this car. During 12 years, I found that the maintenance cost was fairly expensive. To keep it perfect and working in the condition where it is, I would at least spend $300 per month. The car has 165,000 miles, so if you want to keep it almost as a new car, it's fairly pricey. Let's see inside what the amenities are. Overall, I found that the user manual was little needed, just as a reference book. So let's put it back where it belongs, in the glove box. In this video, I may speak a little bit more about reliability because I've owned the car during a long time. Here you see to open the door, the windows cluster, the lights. It's an old car, so there is no automatic position and you need to manually shut it down. There is a buzzer if you forget it, but it doesn't turn off automatically. A big defect here in the central dashboard. Even though we are off with the lights, it's still lighted as if it was nighttime. So that's confusing because, for example, when you leave at night and you forget to put your lights on, the dashboard is lighted as if it were during the night. So you don't know if your headlights are on or off. As you can see here, we see the picture of the car. The lights are off, but the dashboard is on. Many times at night, I started without having my headlights on. Now I'm going to put the headlights. So I've left a few times a parking lot very well lighted, and then suddenly you are completely in the dark without realizing that you have forgotten your headlights. I like the fact that there is the temperature oil as well as the water here. The position of the rim, which is adjustable, is very well located so that you can see all the dials at any time. One element which is a weakness is the computer display. That's a weak point on many of the Audis. I think it can be changed for less than $1,000. The radio, on this one, the tape doesn't work. I found a lot of radios where there is something wrong. The CD charger, we will see that later, is in the trunk. The climate control, that was an option with the full regulation. Heated seat, front and back. Sophisticated cup holder. Do not use polystyrene glass because, or cups, because the sugar leaks and then goes into that panel. When I bought the car, all the keys of everything here were completely locked by sugar. The Tiptronic transmission with the automatic on the left and then the manual on the right. Another sophisticated cup holders. Just to give you an idea, I've replaced many times all those cup holders because they break. They are not very reliable. Overall, the car is in excellent condition. However, the seats on the edge in the front, the leather has cracked. This car has a moonroof, so you turn that dial here and it opens automatically. There is a position which is marked. If you open it completely, as I've just done, there is a lot of vibration, so you need to put it here. There is a mark, and there is no noise vibration. You have a lot of leg space here in the back. As we mentioned, heated seats also in the back. The cup holders are here. They are brand new. You cannot put too much load here as a cargo because otherwise it breaks the cup holders. Very easy to fold the seats. As you can see, a handle, and then you have access to a large cargo space. Large cargo space. This car has the benefit of having a third row seat which is facing the rear of the car. The engine has been very reliable over time. Just had to change a chain tensioner one time, but all the maintenance has been done. One issue is that you need to remove all the plastics to access to the engine, which is always costly on the labor side of the bill at the dealer or at the garage. There is the washer of the front headlights. It drains very quickly, by the way, the washer fluid, which is here. But other than that, no problem. Oh yeah, and many times we change most of the air conditioning system, so that's a little bit a weakness on this car. The car has a good pickup with the V6 5 valves per cylinder. Another wear of this car is that it loses the liquid which controls the darkness of the rear view mirror. I've been told that you can have it refilled instead of changing the entire mirror. Remote control for the garage door opener. Memory seats linked directly to the key, so you can have up to 3 keys that control different positions of the side rear view mirror and the seat positions. Trunk opening, deactivation of the alarm, the upper button. The alarm is telling me that I have left the key in the car. Here you have a better view of the wear of the leather seats. Thanks for watching this video. I have many more test drive in my Car and Train channel. If you have any question, please ask them through the comment section.